going to show you how to stack and plot data in Stata. This is pretty simple. I'm first going to open the data file that I'm going to be using. This is the same data file used in our workshop, launch sem data cooked. Once I have that open, I need to stack it, and I'm going to grab from our PowerPoint slides the stacking syntax. Just copy that and paste it down here into the command window. This will reshape it from a wide format to a long format with wife's marital quality, husband's marital quality, wife marital instability, husband marital instability, using ID as a delineator for each row and J for each time point, because we have multiple time points in this data file. And I believe we have 7 waves of data actually. So, okay, once I run this, it will stack the data, and I'm now going to get the syntax for plotting, and that is right here. Go ahead and paste that down in the command window, and this is a spag plot for a spaghetti plot. We're going to plot wife's marital quality over time. We're just going to ask for 300 of the approximately 680 people in the sample, just to make it a little easier to view, and these will be by ID, so we have 1 line per person. If it doesn't run right here, sometimes you may not have the spag plot command already in your Stata system, and there's what's called an ADO file, and so you would just put help spag plot, and it would take you down to here, and there are these links. Let's see, where is it? I think a different thing shows up because I already have spag plot, so it's pulling up what I already have. But if you don't already have it, it will have a link there at the UCLA website where you can go and get it, and then you'll just click to download, and you'll get that spag plot command, or that spag plot ADO file into your Stata system. And let's see, here's our graph, how it shows up. And most of the time we just want to look at these to see what people are doing over time. We notice a range from 1 to 6, with most people being on the high end of marital quality, a little bit maybe of a downward trend, and some fluctuation over time. So we could run this same command for the husband's data, and we get a little bit different picture. And we could also run it with the other variable that we have, which was instability, and that is INST. And instability, notice, is a little more towards the bottom end because there's less instability in the sample. And we could run that for wives as well. Notice it's a little bit higher for wives. And that's how you reshape and then plot some things over time that you're interested in. Usually you'll plot your outcome variable over time. Sometimes you want to know how your predictors are fluctuating as well, but a lot of times we'll just do the outcome variable.